So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your Scotiabank account on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go ahead here and press on PayPal balance at the top, and then select add money and type in the amount of money that you want to add. So if you wanted to add $10 as an example, I would press on that. Where it says choose a way to add funds, select link a bank account. And under popular banks, three options down, it says Scotiabank. If it doesn't appear for you, go to the search bar right here, start searching up Scotiabank, and then simply click on it. Once you're on this page right here, it'll bring you to a login screen where you can type in your card number or your username, your password, and then you can agree and link your Scotiabank account and then send over the funds that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money from your Scotiabank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.